Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work at the Door County Library for the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And we love doing children's crafts here at our library. And I just wanted to show you something that is a fall craft, and it will be our October grab and go here at the Forestville Library. You can come in and pick up a package that will have all the things in it that you need to make this craft. But I will show you how I made it in case you want to make it at home, because it is something that perhaps you could do at home if you have your own materials. So it is a little scarecrow, and here it is. I think it's sort of cute. And I will show you what you need to make this little scarecrow. First of all, you need popsicle sticks. And you start out with 3 popsicle sticks, and you glue them in a triangle like this one. And then you need a colored piece of paper. I have many. I buy these in notebooks, and they have all kinds of different colored paper. I think scrapbook paper is what it's probably called, but I have it in all kinds of colors, and I use it for all my craft projects. Here's a little piece from this color that I'm using here today. I think it's fun to have that kind of paper for all kinds of different crafts. So anyway, so that's what I use here today for this part. And you just make your triangle out of your popsicle sticks, and then I glued the piece of scrapbook paper so that it looks like this. You sort of frame it. And then these 2 colored popsicle sticks are just glued like so at the top. And then you add your little face. Of course, I have a little round face here. And you make your smile and your eyes so that it looks cute like that. And you need a little hat. And then a little piece of ribbon that you put across the hat, or a piece of this paper, so that it matches the other scrapbook paper here and here. And then you can put something fun in the middle. I used buttons there, there, and there. And I happen to have some beautiful, colorful little buttons like this. And that, I think, really makes it fun, having those buttons. So if you pick up a craft here from the Forestville Library, it'll have all the things in to make your little scarecrow, all the materials. And I do put a warning label on them that there are small parts whenever I have buttons, so you need to be careful if little children are around. It needs to be done with the supervision of an adult. All right, I hope you like my scarecrow. This is the Forestville Library's fall grab and go, and we'll have them ready for you October 1st. Thank you. Happy crafting. Have a great day. Bye.